In the late 18th century, leading French intellectuals seriously debated whether the discovery of America had been good or bad for humankind. Two of these philosophes took the argument a step further. The Abbé de Raynal and the Comte de Buffon suggested that many forms of life, plants, mammals, humans, seemed to degenerate in the New World. Opinions like these struck such Americans as Benjamin Franklin and Thomas Jefferson as both wrong-headed and insulting. When Jefferson published his book, Notes on the State of Virginia, he went to great lengths to defend the environment of his native country against this charge. Jefferson argued, for example, that skeletons of the extinct American mammoth exceeded in size the elephants of the Old World. He prepared a table of the weights of various mammals found in both hemispheres, such as beavers and bears, to prove that animal life in America was not inferior. Jefferson later told a story of Franklin that illustrated the same point. When Franklin was the American ambassador to France, he once attended a small dinner where the Abbé Raynal was present. The theory of degeneration of species came up for conversation. Looking around the table, Franklin realized that the Americans present were all tall and well-formed, while all the Frenchmen there were of small stature, and Raynal himself was a shrimp, as Franklin described him. Franklin suggested that they simply test the theory by asking all dinner guests to stand. Though Jefferson and Franklin couldn't know it, there was a sense in which the Raynal-Buffon theory was correct. From microbes to mammals, the organisms European colonists had brought to America since the 15th century had transformed its environment. Just as Native Americans proved terribly vulnerable to European diseases, many species of American plants and grasses could not resist the onslaught of European grazing animals, such as horses, pigs, and cattle. Many of these plants did not survive the European invasion. In their place, European crops and grasses flourished.